Hello? Hi, how are you doing? Oh, I'm good. Why are you calling on Joshua's phone? What are you doing? I said, why are you calling on Joshua's phone? Oh, yeah, I'm doing good. Yep. Christina, what's going on? I ate some chicken today. Okay, you do realize this is not making any sense, correct? Yeah, it was good. Who were you supposed to be? So much cheese. Wow! How much weed did you smoke? All of it. I can tell. Okay, but that's Christina. What's that? That's Christina. Yeah. What are you doing? I don't know. What do you mean you don't know? Okay, bye. You're horrible. Yes, so.